Everybody, I got my Mint Mongoose package. This is the jewelry subscription box that I was telling you about, and I want to say that this company has A+++ service. The owner, Helena, is awesome. She emails you right away after you sign up. I did sign up for 3 months. I let her know I have a YouTube channel. She was pretty excited. So hi Helena, if you're watching. I also got another email from her saying that my package was going to be delayed because of a family emergency. So she sent me a pair of free sunglasses for the delay. So I thought these were pretty cute. With the black box, you get 2 accessories with, I believe, 4 items, and these were in the bag as well. So I think this is like a hair clip, but you know, I think it would work better as a letter opener. So that's what I'm gonna use that for. And then I also got this beautiful little comb with these jewels on it. Look how cute that is. So I'm gonna put this in my purse, so when I need a touch up on my ends, I can just pull that sucker out. You also get a little Werther's candy. So they're all packaged. Oops, something just fell out. Okay, it's a ring. So the first thing is this cute little ring. Oh, very nice. Like an arrow. A little bit too small for me here, but it looks like you can adjust it. The next thing that I am seeing, I guess this is a bracelet. All right, this feels a little bit more like Claire, you know, like Claire's in the mall type jewelry. A little bit cheaper, but okay, and this is way too big. I think this is supposed to be a bracelet. I'll have to see if I can adjust it. I am pretty handy. The next thing that I see is, looks like a necklace. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's a beautiful like jade stone. Oh, I'm really liking this. So this did take me a hot minute to unravel, but look at how pretty that is. It's a nice long bracelet. It has an adjustable, or bracelet, I said, necklace. It has an adjustable thing, and right here, I don't know if you could tell, but I believe that's their symbol. So you can make it even longer. This is about as long as I care for, but it's really cute. And then the last item, oh, I like this. Super long chain, and it is a nice red stone, but very pretty. Very, very long. So I'm sure I will love this for festivals. I think that I am probably going to sign back up for Must Be Mine to just get the rose gold. I do hope that maybe Mongoose in the future might get rose gold as well, because I'm gonna go ahead and link her website below so you can go ahead and check this out if you'd like to get a box like this for yourself. And I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time, and peace.